What I want to show you is how to do a subtraction problem using a method called equal addends. Right, now to demonstrate this method, I am going to take 304, number 304, and I'm going to subtract 217 from 304. All right, now starting out, we're going to start on the right side in the ones digit on the right column, and we see that we would have to subtract 7 from 4. Now we know that we can't do that without getting a negative number, so what we're going to do is we're going to add 10, right, to that top number. We're going to make that 414. We added 10. Right, now, because we just added 10 to our first number, 304, we need to add 10 to the second number. And so what we're going to do with this method is we're just going to come down here to the tens place in 217, and we just need to add 1, right? Because that being the tens place will be equivalent to 10. So we've really added 10 to both numbers here, right? Okay, now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to subtract, go back to our ones place here, the right column, subtract 7 from 14, and that gives us 7. Okay, now coming back here to our middle column, to the tens place, we see we have a 0 right at the top. So we'd be subtracting 2 from 0. Well, we know we can't do that without getting a negative number. So we're going to add 10 again, right? Now because we added 10 groups of 10, because this is the tens place, right, we've essentially added 100 to our first number, and so we need to come down here to the hundreds place in 217, right, and we need to add 100 to that as well, right? So now instead of a 2 there in the hundreds place, we're going to make that a 3. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and do our math here in the middle column in the tens place. 10 minus 2, and now it's going to give us 8. Okay, and now coming over here to the hundreds place, to our third column on the left, we have 3 minus 3, and we can do that. That's a 0, so we don't need to put anything down below, and now that gives us 87. So 304 minus 217 is 87. We did that using the equal addends method.